Facade. Uh-oh, on the right, look out! I'm Robert, by the way. I'm going to be your guide. We're going to get a drive over here in a few moments, where we have most of our 28 sound stages. Mission control. Everything had to be exact. Well, look at this. Assemble the minions. Illumination Entertainment next exit. Illumination Entertainment is one of our main animated features divisions. They're facades, not much more than false fronts and sides of buildings. We found that for filming purposes, this is very often all we need to build, only what the camera can see. Speaking of reality shows, on multiple occasions, the man that is not the movie, that's when the movie opens. So the Invisible Man and Woman, these movies, they do not share any kind of street. And our metro sets to direct some scenes from Changeling, starring the Mistress of Evil, Angelina. And now, live from... Of the kid car was an uncredited Val Kilmer, Nick Rivers himself, or Iceman, or what else, Doc Holliday, or Batman, or Bruce Wayne. Here's a red Ferrari 308 for the original Magnum PI with seen in 1989's Back to the Future Part 2, like that hover converted pink Edsel there. From the future, now we're going to go to the distant past with these Stone Age vehicles from 1994's The Flintstones, and here are some customized Fast and the Furious Street Racers. A gyrosphere from Jurassic World, directed by Colin Trevorrow. Some military vehicles from the Transformers movie. Before there were the Jurassic World movies, there was Chaos Theorist Dr. Ian Malcolm, and also Academy Award winner Julianne Moore. Games movies. Also coming up on the right is a boat which parked with a mother T-Rex attacking. Actually, for this scene, the van was right here on the Universal front lot, and it was dangling from a parking structure, which was dressed to look like a towering cliff on a remote island. There wasn't really a big T-Rex there. The van was being dangled by a crane. It's kind of quiet here this evening of angry spinning Dilophosaurs. See, remember that Spinosaurus from Jurassic Park 3? Don't look now, but coming up on the left, here's Spiny. Don't get too comfortable yet, folks. Just when you thought it was safe, we went massively in Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. Old Mexico itself has appeared as Tijuana in productions like What's Love Got to Do with It? Well, this isn't too bad. I think we can handle this, except... Hey, wait a minute. Does anybody happen to hear a low... On the left, a flash flood. Tram, take cover. I was playing a trick on you back there. The rain is coming from a set of sprinklers above the tram. The flooding is the result of thousands of gallons of recycled water coming from tanks at the top of the hill. Here's the flooding effect in Big Fat Liar with Frankie Muniz, Amanda Bynes, and Beast Challenge, and Call of the Wild coming out later this month from Fox. Our tour is now approximately at the halfway mark. So I just went around the Universal lot, probably 4 of the newest in the world. We just started using them back in 2018 for productions like Jordan Peele also provided the setting for many of those classic monster movies like Frankenstein was closed, but now we're too late, the shark has got him. Help, police, oh that's right, you are the police. Let's see, blood. Uh-oh, on the right, look out! Well, I know.
Well, for a while there.
A brown house here, number 43. It wasn't always number 43. It was once 1313, as in 1313 Mockingbird Lane, home to the Munster family. And his wife Betty Lou Who, played by Will and Grace as Molly Shannon. The narrator of the film. We're going to hold the tram here for a few moments at the Bates Motel. In a scene from the film, and that's an actual plane which was destroyed specifically for this incredible scene.
Sunset is a set that is all designed around envisioning Steve. Again, to sit down and talk about what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see. You're doing good.
And it was there. It does sound like there's a party going on somewhere.